Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dolbeck. Today I'm gonna speak about the best self-defense tool or weapon in my opinion. Alright. I'm gonna start by the worst and go to the best. It's a top 5, but I'm gonna add a 6 just to tell what I think is the worst. So I'm gonna start by the worst, the number 6. The knife. I think with the knife, you have high chance that the knife break. If you want to use a knife or any blade to defend yourself, you need a really high quality blade because it have high chance to break. You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna inflict yourself trauma just seeing yourself the way, yeah. It's very violent, a violent approach, and I think that the knife is one of the worst self-defense weapon you can use. And what I would recommend if a adult see his child with a knife on him, and he say I needed to defend myself, give him a pepper spray or something, and tell him to only use it if you only need it or something really like that, because a knife, it's worst, believe me. I still just want to take the time to say that I'm not against the use of knife for like hunting when you do your animal, when you're cooking, like show your kid how to use a knife. Just there's some better weapon to protect yourself. It's just what I'm. Alright, so I'm gonna start by the number 5. I don't want to say the knife is the number 6, but kinda. But yeah, the number 5, the fist, or just the jujitsu, or like using your body to stop your opponent. I feel like owning your body, staying in shape is a really good tool to defend yourself, but it's pretty hard to do more than a 1v1. You need to be a real beast to win a one more than a 1v1. It's almost impossible. It just makes no sense. So yeah, you can defend yourself with your fist, but as soon as the other dude have a weapon, a knife or something, it's become really hard. But you need to remember what is nice about knowing how to fight is you can submit your opponent without hurting him. If you manage to have a good technique enough and not let your emotion control you, you can just dominate your opponent without harming him just because you have the technique to just do a key with the arm and shit. So submit your opponent without harming is a good way to solve some problem. So I put the fist at the bottom. Yes, you can defend yourself. It's a weapon, and you better own it. Less people gonna attack you, but at the same time, we are in the modern era, and muscle mean nothing. So number 4, I would say the gun. Why the gun? Cause why it's not first? Cause it kill people. It's really dangerous, and you have like 7 to 9 bullets in a magazine in the pistol. Some you can have like a P90, like a small submachine gun or something like that, but usually you don't have that much bullet into your weapon, and if you spray, you're gonna destroy. Like if it's someone stealing shit in your house, you're gonna spray it on all your wall, destroy your house with it. Yeah, the bullet have high chance to go hit someone behind the people you want to shoot. Imagine there's a someone in your house and you shoot it and you kill someone on the behind the wall. Like the gun is really dangerous. It's pretty hard to control. Yeah, I don't feel like the gun is a good solution to most of the problem in the society. Yes, for sure, we still need to have some gun. I feel like, because if the government decide to do something weird, we still need to have power to defend ourselves against the government. But in real life, self-defense, a gun, for me, it just make almost no sense. Like, yes, you can carry a gun. In my eyes, it's okay if you carry a gun, but you're almost better to carry a pepper spray too, just because the pepper spray it's enough for anything. So my number 3, the dog. just having a dog around you, just having a dog in your house, most of the people will not try to steal in your house. You just have a dog and that's fine. Like, try to find a race that is look a bit badass and that's it, man. No one gonna come steal your shit. Yes, it have some chance to fail if you don't raise your dog good, but if you raise your dog good, he's supposed to protect your house and at least alert you, start barking and shit like that to alert your house. So I think the dog easy top three of the best defense component for house and in the street. Even someone blind, like imagine you try to steal the money in the pocket of someone blind, the dog bites you, man. Like there is like it's better than a gun. Someone blind cannot shoot with a gun but still cannot. But the someone blind can still protect himself with a with a dog or a pepper spray. Imagine just spraying like that. Psh, like it's gonna work anyway. Like yes, for sure he's gonna hurt himself maybe, but he's gonna hurt the other people too. And with a gun, just make no sense. So yeah, number two, pepper spray. It's like for me, the pepper spray is the best thing because you don't really hurt people. You only shoot it into the eyes if you need it. If you shoot pepper spray in that area or like on the arm, the vapor that's gonna go into the face is far enough to make someone oh shit and run away. It's you don't even need to shoot it into the eyes closed. Like this shit is made for beer. A human like you just have a bit. I'm pretty sure you shoot it on the arm of most of the human and they don't want to fight anymore and it's not even into the eyes. For me, the pepper spray is like probably the best instant reaction you can have if someone attack you. Well, put out pepper spray, psh, and that's it. Like if someone really attack you or harm you, for me, it's the best. So how I do my rate on how a weapon is good or not, you can base yourself on a 1v5 or a 1v9 in real life. What is the best to protect you for 9 freaks at the same time? A pistol only have 7 to 9 bullets, and if you miss one, you're fucked. If you shoot in the leg, the dude can still run. But the pepper spray, you just spray all around you, and good luck to reach, man. You see what I mean? Like, I feel like the pepper spray and just filming. You just start filming the people when they come at you. It's just like way more scarier for them than just someone who do that or pull out a gun. Like one gun after 9 people it does nothing. There's probably another one who's gonna pull one after you're gonna start shooting. But pepper spray, everyone just gonna disperse and you're gonna disperse too. Nobody is able to shoot a gun when they have the eyes fucked. The dude who have a gun in his pocket gonna be like, ah shit, I got to go, man. That's it thing. And at the number one, it's not an instant karma weapon, but for me, it's the best protection weapon ever. It's the camera. With the camera, keep proof of everything that happens, so it's gonna defend you in court. So imagine you pepper spray someone that attacked you, and the dude did not hurt you, so you cannot prove that he did attack you. You're fucked. So if you have a camera recording you, when the dude is attacking you and you do the pepper spray, you have proof of what just happened. And then you can go in court and win. Because if you just pepper spray people around, we all know that just not gonna work. Mostly if it happened 2, 3, 4 times in your life, then you're fucked at the end. Like in court, they're gonna be like, you just did a couple pepper spray in the same month. Okay? Like you see, like yeah. So I think the camera is right now the best defense tool. Like you put pepper spray in the instant defense and the long-term defense, the camera. Like you put it in your house, you're gonna keep proof of anything. And most of the time, if someone come and scream at you into the street, you just pull out a cell phone, you pull out a camera, and he's gonna get scared. Oh shit! Oh, I'm gonna get into the internet. I don't wanna. You see, just showing that you have a camera sometimes is far enough to stop any damage, any contact. So before even showing that you have a pepper spray, you can show that you have a camera, and if the dude keep approaching, then you pepper spray. Like, yeah, I feel like the camera is the best. Like, hey, stop, I'm filming you, and then yeah, if something happen, pepper spray, and then if the pepper spray don't stop him for any reason, maybe I don't know, he's a bear, then okay, you can shoot with a taser or something. Like, I did not put the taser into this list because the taser is something that is more like professional. I feel like someone who's not used to use taser have some chance to be stressed and press too long, and yeah, like the police already do so much thing with that. It's not good. And you know, with the taser, you lost like the control of your body and you fall like that. So you have high chance to hit your head, and then yeah, you don't have the control. So you hit your head a couple times, pow, 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 and yeah, I feel like the taser, I put it with the knife on the bottom. A good police agent is supposed to be strong enough so he can like take someone and say stop, stop, and the dude he have to stop because the police is too strong, and if the police cannot do it himself, he's not supposed to use extra force. He's supposed to ask for help, and then multiple police stay calm and to just stop altogether. They don't put a knee on the neck or shit like that. So this is how I think about it. Maybe my vision of God is bad. Tell me what you think about it. Maybe you say gun are the top in this list, but I don't think so. Change my mind. Peace out.